Hello everyone, let's talk about the Zebra ZT230 front control panel, part number P10379774-031. This is a genuine Zebra panel designed as a replacement for the ZT230 thermal printer, specifically the 203 DPI and 300 DPI models. It's important to note that this is just the front control panel itself, and it does not include the cover. If your ZT230's control panel is damaged or malfunctioning, this is a direct replacement part, ensuring compatibility and proper function. The fact that it's a genuine Zebra part is a big plus, as it guarantees the same quality and performance as the original. Aftermarket parts can sometimes be unreliable, so sticking with a genuine component is generally the best approach. This particular panel is designed for monochrome printing, which is standard for thermal printers like the ZT230. It features a push-button controller type and supports a maximum media size of 4 by 6 inches, which is typical for label printing applications. The inclusion of an LCD screen is essential for navigating the printer's settings and monitoring its status. One of the key selling points here is the warranty. Get Parts provides a 3-month warranty, which offers peace of mind in case of any defects or issues. Additionally, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. This is a significant advantage, as it allows you to try the panel risk-free and return it if it doesn't meet your expectations. The installation process should be straightforward, as it's a direct replacement part. However, if you're not comfortable working with printer components, it's always a good idea to consult a qualified technician. Overall, the Zebra ZT230 front control panel from Get Parts appears to be a reliable and worthwhile replacement option. The genuine Zebra branding, warranty, and money-back guarantee make it a low-risk investment for anyone needing to repair their ZT230 thermal printer. Just remember that this doesn't include the cover, so make sure you still have the original one or source a replacement separately if needed.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.